It's going to upset some people that I'm sharing this publicly on the internet because it's going to create more competition, but I gotta keep it real with you guys. The company that makes these solar panels unfortunately mismanaged their business, so they went bankrupt. And like the government does, they repossessed all of their stock. Now they're offloading it to the public. You can get 300 of these solar panels for about $40 each and turn around and sell them for $90 each on eBay. But if you want to make it a long-term thing, you could install these solar panels for clients. But the government is not going to discriminate. These guys will literally repossess anything, meaning there are endless opportunities for you to make money and build businesses. They even have an entire category for used handbags, which you can resell or refurbish. The deals on this website are absolutely insane. You could buy a couple of these and start an adventure excursion company. Or maybe you're somebody that has a little construction experience and you want to snatch up one of these bad boys. Perhaps you have always been dreaming of opening a little coffee shop. Well, here is all the restaurant equipment you're going to need to do that. What if you wanted to open a spin club or a traditional gym? Bike rental company? The possibilities are endless and you can get all these deals here. If you found this helpful, you know what to do.